And we're going back. Nice bag, Lace.
It's my size.
It is your size. Princesses.
I look like Ariel. I just
Lovely. Ready to see some princesses?
Yeah.
You look like princesses.
With my Crocs. I especially look like a princess.
You especially do.
Yeah, I have the Crocs now.
I'm on deck 3. Is it deck 3 this was? It was, wasn't it? Let's have a look.
Tempting to. Look, can I borrow your pen?
Nice.
Can I borrow that?
You got a pen too.
Yeah, but it's stuck.
Ugh. You write your names in it when we get in the
Then
room.
it's got like sharp nails. It's like a cutter.
Ugh. We'll just do it on the floor. Kids. 8 and write your age underneath.
We should print photos out.
Is that a problem? I don't want to see them.
We could print the photos out and they can put it in there.
Ugh.
I'll fall over. I'm not walking this way. It's the boat.
No.
The boat's making me walk that way.
Yeah.
Awesome. The magic band, I'll just have you scan that from our photographer friend, and they'll scan
Beautiful.
for each one as you work your way down.
Okay, thank you.
Make sure it's just a step to the other side of my photographer friend here.
Thank you.
So dolled up. You must have a fun day playing today. You tell me about it.
We can't really remember that stuff. But we did. We go.
Me and what I have around today, seafood chefs and coconut, trying to get inspiration for the restaurant. Y'all let me know. If there's anything that stands out. Have you tasted any good food? Can I get a big smile for me? And smile a bit more. And a beautiful smile.
That's my butt.
The gentleman's got him here. Thank you, Tiana. Who's next?
Do you have a key to the World Carter Magic Band? Or did you get to tap it with my friend over here?
Hi. You're right. Did she tap it? Did she tap it now?
No, not yet.
Storybook story? Do you want like storybook story about you too? Sometimes. Yes, kind of stories. Fantasy. With far-off places. Daring survives. Magic spells and princess stuff. Those are all my favorite kinds of stories. Although I think Jen likes a good mystery.
My mommy
Oh, does she really?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you enjoyed my story. It's my favorite. I do, yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you, princess. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more. Right here, right here. One more here.
Beautiful. We'll say bye to Belle. Bye.
So lovely to see you today.
Thank you. Come over, Evan.
Trials to found the Cave of Wonders. Do you have any adventures planned?
Yes.
What adventures is it?
The royal palace. Yeah, the royal palace.
That sounds very lovely. Maybe we'll visit there someday on Magic Hour. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Did you bring some special books with you?
There's two.
Thank you very much. These are going to be such a fun way to meet your new friends, aren't they? Flounder. Well, last I saw him, he was swimming right alongside the ship. He said he wants to swim beside the ship. Voyage. Isn't that a big swim for a little fish like Flounder? I think if he gets tired, I can scoop him up and put him in the swimming pool a bit. Really? You do? Oh my goodness, do you take him on all your adventures? Well, Flounder certainly does like exploring. So I'm glad to see that you bring him on your adventures too. That sounds incredible. Sounds like a very special occasion for two beautiful princesses like yourself.
Another one. One, two.
Can we do the fighting now?
One by one. No problem. Technique. One, two, three. Another one. One, two. Wait. One more. It's like balance everything. One, two, three. Another one. One, two. Like my back is stuck.
Working your core. Who's up there? Rapunzel.
Should we go see her?
Yeah, I'm gonna fall over.
Say bye. Bye. Is that good fun?
I'm gonna fall over. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.